What's up, y'all? It's your Battle Buddy Bob. Where am I? I am in the country of Vietnam. And right now, I'm at this marble handcraft sculpture factory. And would you believe all this handcrafted marble sculptures come from this mountain right over here? And they have tours and an elevator to go up there. They say it's about a 3-hour tour to go up that mountain and look around and check out that temple and everything in it. And look, they even got an elevator to the left. See the elevator over there to the left? So I just want to give y'all a little sneak peek of this handcraft sculpture factory. Now, another thing I learned about the sculpture factory, not only are they producing these things, but they will ship directly to your house. Everything, small or large. Can you imagine getting some of this shipped to your house? Maybe you just want some dragons, by your front door for people to enter. Or you just want a Buddha, in your backyard. You can do that. So much beauty. Beautiful. Handcrafted. And she's showing Uncle some of these statues down. She was telling us that they also ship to the U.S. So if you like any of this stuff, you can get it shipped to your house. I normally get things I can fit in my luggage, but you can get it shipped to your house. Look at these balls. All of them spinning. Look at them.
Americans.
Wow. Look at that. That is heavy.
Yes. Because that is solid.
And they got all colors. Wow. All different colors.
Natural colors.
All these balls spinning back here. Very interesting that they can get these heavy balls to spin like that. And I don't want to forget these carvings over here. I mean, the colors is very unique. Look at that. Look at that. That is rotating. All right. So we still walking through all the handcrafted.
The bird, we make look like the bird. A symbol for the love.
Love, okay. Symbol of love.
Look like the yin and yang.
Yeah. Man, all handcrafted. The symbol of love. Look at this. Every piece is beautiful. What this one is? The fish. It is. Now I see it. Look at this. Oh, I know somebody would just love to have these peacocks. Look at these. Look at those. Can you imagine that? Sitting in front of your house. Wow. The details. Details. Wow. I see some lotus growing in that pond back there. They got a sculpture for everything. Oh, even more. We're gonna be, look, I'm gonna try to get all this on tape for my battle buddies. I'm trying to get all this on tape. I want y'all to come see it for yourself. This is gorgeous and beautiful. Yeah, I want to see. We can go there now. I've never seen, like, in Indonesia, I've been to stone carving village, but it was a hard stone. This is a smooth stone right here. Marble. All this, man, that's a lot of marble.
Because in Vietnam we got a lot of mountains.
A lot of mountains in Vietnam.
Forest, so we got a lot of houses.
So she was saying there's a lot of mountains in Vietnam. Yeah, that's a peaceful symbol here. That, in this country, is peace. My battle buddy's uncle was just pointing out that swastika. I said, hey, in this country, it's peaceful. Marble. Everything is marble. Man, if you buy this table, it's gonna be in your family for 100 years. And then, can you imagine the shipping and handling? Man. I couldn't imagine. I can't imagine. So I saw this kind of stone before, but this marble, never seen this much marble before. Some of this could have been in the museum that me and you was at. Yeah? Man, it's actually getting shipped to Texas. Somebody getting some shipped to Texas. Another person getting it shipped to Las Vegas. Now, look, even these smaller pieces, I wonder if the cost is $100. I mean, if that's the truth, I'm really impressed.
Said it took like 3 months, 3 or 4 months to get there.
Yeah, because you got to come on the boat. Yep. But the cost, whew, it's heavy. Everything's heavy.
Is that one that starving Buddha got it?
Now, in different, this is the first time I've seen one here. But I would assume any questions should be asked to this lady right here, because she seems to be the expert. Sometimes that starving man in other countries represents man. So that's what it's probably best to ask her.
The right statue. The starving statue. Okay.
That's a Buddha? Is that a man or a Buddha? That's a Buddha. So this, they have a story about a starving Buddha. I remember I got told that It was like a story of a prince that left the well-to-do kingdom and went out on his own, and he ended up starving, but he came back. This is how it starts. Okay, let's look at some of these finished products. Okay. Just giving the final sanding, making it smooth. And then she's polishing over here, making it smooth. Wow. Walk around, look at some more. Look at that. Yeah. I don't know. I do kind of like this ball spinning. It is nice. Somebody carved this table and stools. And man, can you imagine having this in your backyard? Man, that's a whole business. International importing, exporting. Yeah, wrap it up. For sure. Oh man, I would love this thing. Let me get this tub. This is what I need right here. This is what I need right here. This tub. I'd actually ship that back. I wouldn't mind a nice Epsom bath right in there with some green alcohol. What y'all know about that? Look at the beauty. Man, the beauty. And it's even more upstairs too. Talk about, you want to play some chess? They got the set for you. Play for real. And they really got something for everybody. Okay, we're going there next. We're going there next. Okay, so this is inside. Also, goodbye. Oh, no inside, no video. Okay, so I'm just gonna record more outside, and I'm gonna cut a little bit, and I'll come on in there next. Look at that. Look at the beauty. So much beauty. Look over here. Look at this. Look how big and beautiful that is. And can't forget Buddha. So, but before I forget, hey, get off the couch. Come on over here with your BattleBuddyBob and explore the world. Peace out.